What's going on, my EDC nuts? Today I got a top 3. My top 3 budget knives of 2025. We got Sweet Seduction here. We got Mr. Spine himself, the Porcupine. And then we got the newest one in my collection, which, as you can tell from all the scratches on the pocket clip, I have used quite a bit. And that is the CRJB. I have no idea what the name is because I have a lot of knives and I forget things. CJRB. What the hell are you called? Yeah, something. Me oh my. Let's go to new arrivals. I'm literally looking at the CRGB site just to figure out the name, even though it's going to come up and I'm going to slap myself. Yeah, the Droma. Jesus. Yeah, this is the CRGB Droma. Love this damn thing. Blade to handle ratio is, oh god, it's butter. This thing feels like a premium knife for sure. Love it. So I put this one as third place as it has got pocket time. I have cut with it. I have played with it a whole hell of a lot. I've taken it apart. I've cleaned it, put it back together, you know, added the lubes, did all the things, you know. But I have not had it as long as I've had these two. This one, I call this one Sweet Seduction, because every single time I go for this knife, the Porcupine, or I go for the Droma, this one looks at me with its puppy dog eyes and it says, "Oh, pick me." Oh, bastard. Such a good knife. The detent on this thing is so good. Blade, oh man, this thing is so slicey. The jimping is really good. These thumb studs are in the perfect position. They just, boop. The thumb just finds it every single time. First flick just as easy. The thinness, for some reason I like thin knives. This thing, I just really enjoy this. If you noticed, my favorite knives, I love dyeing my favorite knives. Purple is randomly one of my favorite colors. I don't know why. I just really enjoy the color. And it usually goes really good with the satin. And of course the brass. It goes really good with the brass in my opinion. But I put this one in my top 2. I don't like it as much as the Porcupine. It's just simple as that. And number 1, the winner, the Porcupine. Oh god, the Porcupine. This thing I've sharpened multiple times. I've played with a lot. I've taken it apart. I've lost screws, found screws, vacuumed up a few screws, put it back together. This thing came out in January. It's the very first budget knife of the year that I really wanted to get. And oh, I did that. 100%. I've actually bought 3 of them. I kept the one I liked the most, which was the brown micarta version, because the purple dye took to it really well, and the other ones I really didn't feel like dyeing. And I also don't like PVD coating on blades because it scratches too easily, because unlike a lot of collectors, I actually use my knives, and that's nothing against them. if it's DLC, I'll buy the knife and use it too because, you know, DLC. But PVD just rubs off too damn easily. It's actually quite annoying. Side rant. So I actually changed the pocket clip. The pocket clip on this is for my Spyderco Sage 5. And I put my Vosti pocket clip on this one because this one was kind of pokey. So when I put the Spyderco one on here, it's actually much better ergonomically in both positions. When I'm back here with the other pocket clip, it actually pokes into my hand, like right here. And I have arthritis, so that's a no-no for me. But once I put this clip on here, I don't have that issue anymore. So that's why I like it. And also 14C is just the better still of the AR-RPM 9 and the Nitro V, in my opinion. It just sharpens better. I don't know. I can get a really good edge on these guys. Well, that's the end of my top 3. Remember to stay sweet and stay sharp.